15-minute chicken, broccoli and cashew stir fry. Cover HOKKIEN noodles with boiling water and soak for about 3 minutes, separating the noodles with a fork. Drain well. For the chicken, heat oil in a wok over high heat. If you don't have a wok, use a large frying pan. Stir fry the chicken for 2 minutes or until golden brown and cook through. Do this in batches so that you don't overcrowd the wok and the chicken browns evenly. Put the chicken back into the wok, then add onion, garlic, ginger and broccoli. Stir fry for about 4 minutes or until the broccoli is just tender. To finish off the stir fry, pour in oyster sauce and water. And throw in some cashews. Stir fry for another 2 minutes until heated through. To serve up, put the noodles in bowls, top with the stir fry and you're done. Make sure you get all that delicious sauce. It's as easy as that to whip up a tasty chicken stir fry with broccoli and cashews, and all you need is 15 minutes. For the full recipe, see the description below. For more easy dinner ideas, head to our best ever chicken playlist here.